Now, you might be asking yourself, what if I want to do something more complex than simply returning something and powering it like we did in the last video? What if I want to add an if statement? Well, you can do that. So all you have to do is simply write the if statement before the for loop and then write whatever condition. So let's say, for example, you only want the even numbers to be printed out. So if I percentage or modulo 2 equal 0, then we are going to return. See, remember the return is always at the beginning in this case, the I. Okay. Otherwise, else we're just going to return -1. Okay. So let's revise. This is a for I in range. With every I, we are going to check here if it is indeed a even number. If it is not an even number, we're going to return -1. If it is in fact an even number, we are going to return an I. So let's run it. We look on the right side and we say 0, -1, 2, -1, 4, -1, 6, -1, 8, -1. And that makes sense because it's odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. So it makes sense. So that's how an if statement works inside a list comprehension. List comprehensions are very, very useful. They build things up very quickly. They don't take much space. They're very readable once you get used to them. So make use of them.